chicken in here?
Sit on eggs. Mario, do not.
I was just gonna pet her.
You don't pet.
You see the chicken in there? See the chicken?
She calls him honey. Stop bite!
No, he won't bite. You can't
Chickens can't bite. Only roosters bite. I need eggs.
You need eggs.
Hey, get it with Shiloh.
I
Here, give me your camera and I'll take a picture of you with her and the goat.
Okay.
Look, it's ducky. It's ducky.
Ducky?
It's scared.
Come here, honey.
Oh, don't be scared.
Come here.
The license. Oh, it's okay, Shiloh.
Mario, look out.
Can you get a picture with Mario? Look at that.
It's big.
That's Shiloh.
Can you pet him?
Ooh. Be careful, Shiloh.
Sure. See
He likes to smell on people.
Yeah. It's a goat.
Oh, make sure you put him this way because that's not the way I do it.
Oh,
This way.
Look at it.